Woodland is a low-density forest forming open habitats with plenty of sunlight and limited shade. Woodlands may support an understory of shrubs and herbaceous plants including grasses. Woodland may form a transition to shrubland under drier conditions or during early stages of primary or secondary succession. Higher densities and areas of trees, with largely closed canopy, provide extensive and nearly continuous shade and are referred to as forest. Conservationists have worked hard to preserve woodlands. For example, the woodlands in northwest Indiana have been preserved as part of the Indiana Dunes. Woodland is used in British woodland management to mean tree-covered areas which arose naturally and which are then managed, while forest is usually used in the British Isles to describe plantations, usually more extensive, or hunting forests, which are a land use with a legal definition and may not be wooded at all. The term ancient woodland is used in British nature conservation to refer to any wooded land that has existed since 1600, and often for thousands of years, since the last ice age. Woodlot is a closely related American term, which refers to a stand of trees generally used for firewood. While woodlots often technically have closed canopies, they are so small that light penetration from the edge makes them ecologically closer to woodland than forest. Woodland ecoregions. Tropical and subtropical grasslands, savannas, and shrublands, Afrotropic ecozone, Angolan Miombo woodlands, Angolan Mapane woodlands, Central Zambesian Miombo woodlands, Eastern Miombo woodlands, Kalahari Acacia Bakery woodlands, Zambesian and Mapane woodlands, Zambesian Bakery woodlands. Neotropic ecozone, Cerrado woodlands and savannas. Temperate grasslands, savannas, and shrublands, Afrotropic ecozone, Al-Hajar Alabi montane woodlands. Palarctic ecozone, Jisaro Alai open woodlands. Montane grasslands and shrublands. Afrotropic ecozone, Angolan scarp savanna and woodlands, Drakensberg Alti-montane grasslands and woodlands, Drakensberg montane grasslands, woodlands and forests, East African montane moorlands, Ethiopian montane grasslands and woodlands. Palarctic ecozone, Kopet Dag woodlands and forest steppe. Mediterranean forests, woodlands, and scrub. Australasia ecozone, Coolgardie woodlands, Mount Lofty woodlands, Murray-Darling woodlands and Mallee, Narakoti woodlands, Southwest Australia woodlands. Narctic ecozone, California chaparral and woodlands. Palarctic ecozone, Bocanico an area with a high density of all sorts of berry trees. Canary Islands dry woodlands and forests, Mediterranean acacia argania dry woodlands and succulent thickets, Mediterranean dry woodlands and steppe, Mediterranean woodlands and forests, southeastern Iberian shrubs and woodlands. Deserts and xeric shrublands, Afrotropic ecozone, East Saharan montane xeric woodlands, Madagascar succulent woodlands, Somali montane xeric woodlands, southwestern Arabian montane woodlands. Palarctic ecozone, Balochistan xeric woodlands, Central Afghan mountains xeric woodlands, Central Asian riparian woodlands, North Saharan steppe and woodlands, Paropamisus xeric woodlands, South Saharan steppe and woodlands, Tibesti Jebel Al-Wynat montane xeric woodlands, West Saharan montane xeric woodlands. References. External links. The UK Woodland Trust, Woodland Bond.